Hey, good morning, guys. If you are watching me live or just checking out this video on a replay, which is 99.9% of how people watch my videos. But anyway, what are you doing on a Monday morning? Okay? And I mean every Monday morning. If you want to watch something live, it is a Zoom, all right? Zoomy Zoom. And it is Dr. Ryan and his very awesome wife, Lisa. Okay. Now, Dr. Ryan, he's in charge of creating our badass products. Okay. And Lisa, equally, I know she has definitely her 2 cents in the creating of products as well, along with our CEO, Ben Glinsky, and Nader Gazan, is it Kazan? I guess Khazan. It almost looks like Shazam. All right, I think we have some super human Avengers that own and operate our company. But anyway, Dr. Ryan, awesome guy. He's just addicted to health. I have no doubt that when he creates our products, he's going to put the best ingredients in, which are the most expensive. All right, our CEO, Ben Glinsky, said straight up, we have the most expensive ingredients in our products, but we are the cheapest because we're wholesale based. We're wholesale focused. Membership website, similar to Amazon Prime. Costco, they make a lot of their money, guys. Guess what? On the membership side, it's about 60 to 120 bucks a year to go to Costco here in America. So when you go inside, you shop, and you know you've got rock bottom prices on dry food, frozen food, camping gear, little underwear, big screen TVs, and those delicious hot dogs that you can buy on the way out. Okay. With LiveGood, similar. Okay. If you want to participate in this business as an affiliate, where you can be kind of a cheerleader, what I'm doing right now, talk about the experience, invite people to watch a video, and let people decide, hey, would you like to pay $40 to be an affiliate so you can earn money doing what I'm doing right now? You will be a member for $9.95 a month. $10 a month, that's it. And you can open up the doors, or in this case, go online. Okay, to open the door on your laptop computer, or maybe you got some big screen television monitors right in front of you, or you got one of these things that look like a Pop-Tart. Looks like an electronic Pop-Tart. Put it in your toaster and see what happens. Don't quote me on that. Okay, it's an expensive demonstration, trust me. Okay, but if you have a cell phone or a laptop or a home computer, guys, you have everything it takes to promote and in my opinion, earn some moolah with this great company. Okay, so I just like to invite people to a capture page that you get when you sign up with this company. You get a website, customer service is built in place, shipping, handling, returns, everything. You don't have to do nothing except just get really good at inviting people to click something. Okay, in my case, I hope you copy me, by the way. All right, so if you see this video and you're not signed up in LiveGood yet, guys, this is what I hope you do because it seems to work for me. I'm going on 400 people that have signed up with this domain, joincory.com. I bought that at GoDaddy for about 10, 11 bucks. I bought these business cards for about 25 bucks at Vista Print. I hand them out now and then. Not a lot, but if someone comes up to me and asks me in person, hey, what are you talking about on Facebook? Or did I see you on YouTube talking about something? Yeah, just go to joincory.com, guys. Okay, so why don't I show you what joincory.com looks like? Okay, and if you would like to look at something pretty cool, it's this page. This is our webinar page with LiveGood. Okay, I'll put a link to this underneath this video, or you guys can figure it out. Okay, but look, Mondays, and these times are always Eastern because we're based out of Jupiter, Florida, which is Eastern Standard Time here in America, okay? So, noon Eastern on Mondays, and sometimes we pass, like if it's Christmas or New Year's or maybe some type of holiday, okay? But you just click this link, and it goes right to a YouTube feed, which is right on the money. I'll tell you what, you just go there about like 5 minutes early, just click this link right here, and bam, we got about anywhere from 20 to 30 minute, just a beautiful I guess you'd call it session or tutorial or a review about our products that are out, products that are coming out, things that are in our future that are going to be released, and demonstrations. We have Q&A as well, okay? That's every Monday at noon, okay? And today's Monday as I produce this video, so I'm excited to watch. Now, these are always recorded, okay? They're on my YouTube channel, so if you're on my YouTube channel now, if you guys can't watch this live, which is 99% of planet Earth, you can go to YouTube or you can go to my channel and watch these, okay? They're good. They're good to learn from. Every Wednesday, Nader Kazan, all right? I like to call him our VP of marketing, but field development is his official title. He's great. Every Wednesday at noon, he does about anywhere from a 20 to 30, sometimes 40-minute. It's like training. It can be a review, but he talks about the opportunity, how to recruit people, okay, and invite people into your business if you want to be an affiliate. Every Wednesday at noon, you just click that little button there and watch Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. Thursday, this is a really good opportunity for people just to watch. Watch our CEO, that's Ben there smiling away. He'll talk about the opportunity. Do you want to be an affiliate? For $10 a month, do you want to be a member and get wholesale pricing? Or do you just want to go to livegood.com and shop like Amazon.com or Walmart.com? Guys, remember, you don't have to be a member or an affiliate to buy our products. But if you want to save money, be a member. And if you want to earn money like I do, be an affiliate. It's only $40, okay? Friday, this is where, and this is my favorite all-around meeting because the Fab Four, all right, here's Dr. Ryan and his wife Lisa with Nader and Ben. All four will do a 1-hour meeting about the income, how many sales we're getting worldwide, what products are on the way, okay? How many people are ranking from signing up 2 people to bronze, 10 people to silver, 100 people to gold, 500 people to platinum, and some people have 2,500 or more in their group, so they're diamond and double diamond or double dildo diamond. I don't even remember the ranks, but anyway, Friday is good too, and you can see there's Zoom links. The only meeting that's not a Zoom, and I don't know why, but it's YouTube. And I don't know if it's because you can go have easier interaction, or maybe just Ryan and Lisa prefer YouTube because it all looks the same. You just watch your screen and they're recorded. All right, they're YouTube video based, so just go ahead and watch them on your cell phone or your home computer. But if you want to watch them live, here's the links. These links are underneath this video right now, okay? And I suggest watching them, especially if you're going to join Live Good as an affiliate. It's super interesting to just watch people that are in charge of this company, okay? Because normally you don't know the CEO. You will never probably meet the people that have designed the products because the company selling them probably has no idea either. They just go ahead and order them and hope that they're good, okay? With our case, you're going to know Lisa, or you're going to know Dr. Ryan, all right? They're a married couple, all right? You're going to know Ben, and you will know Nader, all right? Very transparent. I like that because if I put time and energy into video, this is time I can't get back, okay? These videos, sure, they do earn me money, and I'm very happy. But I'm very happy knowing that if I do record a video like this and I upload it, that the company is in good hands. We make safe, intelligent decisions. We pay cash for everything, by the way. All right? I like when Ben says that. All right? He owns all the products outright. We do not have some big loan, okay? We're building distribution centers worldwide because we're in over 200 countries. 1.7 million will be in this company's member and affiliate little box, all right, by January. Just a couple, week or two away. That's impressive. 1.7 million people. And I'm excited. I'm number 27 out of those 1.6 to 1.7 million people. Number 27 on the leaderboard as far as signing people up directly underneath me. Okay, and I appreciate if you're in my downline or my group. Okay, all right, just take my arm, take my hand if you're a gentleman, or you know what, ladies. All right, I'll help you across the street just like this. All right, and we'll skip. Okay, but we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna simplify this. I'm pretty darn good at the Live Good thing after a year and a half. I'm very comfortable signing up I got 12 I'll probably have 13, 14, 15 people signed up just in December, which is considered kind of a slow time because it's Christmas right now as I produce this video. But I like to sign up people. I think it's fun to recruit. And I think you will too, because you're just being yourself on a video. Being yourself, maybe email. Make some business cards. Everything I do is very cheap. I don't do high ticket stuff, guys. I like when you have zero experience, actually. Those are my favorite people because you learn brand new things that work now, January 2025. Stuff that worked 5 years ago, maybe even 5 months ago, might not work. Internet's fast, guys. It hauls ass. You guys know this. Okay. So let me just show you what I do. And if you join up underneath my group or with me, all right, I just hope you do this. Get yourself a nice domain name like I have. All right, joincory.com. The link will be right below the video here. And watch that 6-minute video of Ben Glinsky, our CEO, talk. And if you want to put your name and email address in the little box, just click reserve my position. You're going to get one email every day for 30 days. All right. They're good to keep too, especially if you're going to join as an affiliate, because you can use those emails to help invite people to certain things. All right. And they're awesome. And you can opt out of those emails anytime. Guys, you know how emails are. If you don't want an email, just go to the bottom of it and click out. Okay. All right. Cory@CoryDraper.com. That is my email. All right. I've had it almost 40 years. I got it in the early 90s. So anyway, Cory@CoryDraper.com. Easy to get a hold of. It'll be below the video as well. And I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And please watch the YouTube videos. All right? We're going to produce one here live in about an hour or two, and I'm excited. I always like to see what Ryan and Lisa have to say, especially with new products. We have 5 more products. And right now, oh God, today is what, December 23rd. And I just watched our live meeting a couple days ago, Friday, and they said we have 5 brand new products debuting in the next week or so. Okay, so basically January 2025, 5 more products. Guys, it's awesome. Every time we release products, it's more people just getting interested and coming aboard as a customer. And then they become a member because they want to save money. Then they usually become an affiliate because why not? $40. Okay? All right, guys. Joincory.com. Thanks for your time. You have any questions, Cory@CoryDraper.com. Okay, have a good one. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.